This is Brother Moss. Welcome you to PC 102. I thought I'd share a little fun little thing for you to hope you get entertained. I'm not very good at this, but I'd love to sing it to you anyway. I don't call myself a very good singer anyway, like I said. But here we go. I welcome you today to 102 and sing this song for you. I like to be in 102. I'm happy that you came to. When 102 first had its start, each student was taught to do his part. To use good manners, be polite, to love the Lord and choose the right. Now every week in 102, students gather reverently to learn the gospel and resumes and share with all who come that day. So I welcome you today to 102 and sing this song for you. I like to be in 102 and I'm happy that you came too. Welcome to 102 PC 102.